Hey my YouTube families, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a holiday season makeup look. I always start off with my skincare prep. It's always important to get them on the skin before applying your makeup on. I'm concealing my under eyes and uneven skin tone using the MAC 24 Hours Smooth Wear Concealer and blending them away. Then I'm taking the loose face powder from the Body Shop and applying them on the areas that I applied the concealer. This is to avoid creasing from happening. The next thing I'm doing is I'm moving on to my brows. I'm using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil to fill in my brows. For today's makeup look, I'm using the Timeless Allure palette from SOFWANAH Cosmetics. I'm using the color Modest all over my lid as a base shade. It blends together with my natural eyelids. Now taking the color Cheeky, I'm applying them all over my lids too. It's a very beautiful, pretty peach coral shade that goes well with the Christmassy feel I feel. So taking the shade Rebel, it's a shimmer shade that matches the peach shade earlier, and I am applying them on the middle area of my eyes. And lastly, to brighten up my eyes, I'm taking the shade called Daydreamer, a pearl shade, and applying them on the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. To give this look a good highlighter feel, I am taking a few pumps of the Drops of Gold from the Body Shop and I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid bows, just name it guys, wherever that you want to highlight, you can just highlight with this thing. It's a beautiful shimmery gold shade. For my cheeks, I'm using the Land of Lollies blusher from NYX Cosmetics. I got this last year for Christmas from my sister and brother-in-law, and I don't know if they still have this shade going on, but it's a beautiful pink shade. I really love this color. It complements the eye for sure. And as for my lips, I'm using the Berry Glaze Lip Shine. It's from the Body Shop too, and I received this from my last PR event that I went with them. It's a very nice, beautiful red, blood red shade guys. Perfect for the Christmas feel, for holiday season, any kind of holidays. It's amazing. And last but not least, I'm also just applying mascara on my below lash line. To finish off my look, I'm applying the PIXI Skin Treat Glow Mist and we are done. Happy holiday guys. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas ahead of you. Bye bye.